Today we have a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, 10,500 miles, clean auto check, balance of factory warranty. Give you a look at it. First thing you'll notice from the front end, it does have that classic Jeep grille with the vertical style grille inserts, chrome trim with the plastic inserts. It does have the LED lighting for your headlights and your high definition bulbs. And if you look down below, you have your driving lights, also chrome casings around those. Give you a look at the tires and wheels. You have a darkened alloy wheel with a aluminum polished finish on the outside of it, and you have Michelin rubber that's about 3/4 tread. They are 18-inch tires and wheels. Also have the nice chrome mirror caps along with the integrated turn signals in the mirrors, and the badging. You get nice chrome door handles along with the roof racks. Give you a look at the inside. It's laid out real nicely. It's black on black interior, leather seating. Do have power seats on the driver and passenger side. You have some nice wood grain trim on the doors and the dash, along with some chrome trim to make things a little dressy. And the rear is quite spacious back there. It does have the split bench seating. And the back of your center console, you have a couple USB ports there. You have a 12-volt power source along with heated rear seating, which your passengers that sit in the back will appreciate that. And if you need more cargo space to haul things, these seats do fold down flat like that with just a flip of that lever. It's actually pretty simple. Rear tires and wheels. Rubber's about the same the whole way around. Bring around the back, you will notice the badging. Jeep 4x4 Limited. Just have the chrome trim across the top of the back bumper with the scuff saver on there. It does have rear defrost and wiper, and your fan on the top of the roof is for your satellite radio. It does have a power hatch. As you look on the way up, you have a backup camera mounted up there, along with your backup sensors across the bottom of the bumper. And lots of room in the hatch. And you also have your power hatch button here, and you have a 12-volt power source and a speaker mounted on that side. And if you lift up that floor, you'll see you do have your spare and your jack and all your tools. Some nice cubbies under there for storage. And the tires and wheels on this side. Wheels are all real nice on this. No curb rash on any of them, any scuffs or anything. The center seat there has the fold down armrest on the back with the cup holders built in. Give you a look at the interior. You'll see you have your power locks, windows, and mirrors on the driver's door, along with two-way memory seating, and your power driver's seat also. You have your fuel door button, headlight switch, and interior dimmer switch is located there. And the current mileage is 10,575 miles. And we'll show you the driver's wheel here. You'll see your buttons on the wheel control your menus for up here. And you also have your telephone settings, your voice recognition, cruise control. All that stuff is controlled from your steering wheel. It does have driver and passenger side airbags. There's your front and rear windshield wiper controls. And does have push button start, as you can see. Light the screen up here. I'll show you your audio controls. And your driver and passenger heated and air conditioned seats can be controlled through there, along with your heated steering wheel. You can also link all your phones, all your media devices right through there. And your navigation also is operated through that screen also. Down below all that, you have your audio controls, along with your heating and air conditioning controls, and your parking assist. And you have your economy button, you have your traction control down there. You also have your sport setting, which will give you a different ride comfort. Under that, you have a small cubby hole that opens up, and you see there's 2 USB ports, there's an auxiliary port, and a 12-volt power source inside that. I have 2 nice big cup holders, your transmission shifter, and your 2-wheel 4-wheel drive selector switch. And you see you can choose your different conditions you're traveling in: snow, sand, mud, rock, or auto. And your center cubby hole, there is a top tray that's shallow, and then there's a deeper tray down below that. And you do have an additional 12-volt power source in that. It does have the nice large sunroof, as you can see. And all the controls for that are up here on your headliner. You also have another hatch button located here for your automatic hatch. I'm going to go ahead and fire up the engine. We'll give you a look under the hood. You'll notice it's also nice and clean under the hood. At the engine, you get the 3.6 liter V6 engine that's paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission. As for fuel mileage, you should get around 25 miles per gallon on the highway, around 18 or so, give or take a couple driving around town. That will vary depending on your driving conditions and your driving habits, of course. We are going to walk around this Grand Cherokee one more time and point out any blemishes that we may see on it. It is an 18 model, so I don't think we'll find a whole lot to show you. Anything I see, excuse me, got a frog in my throat. There's a small ding on this front fender, which with the lighting in here, it's kind of hard to catch it. Try to get a right angle here. There you can kind of see it. It's not real noticeable. It's about the size of a nickel probably. Other than that, it's a nice looking Grand Cherokee. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look at it, maybe setting up a test drive, number here is 717-485-4224. Or you can look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.